Alright, figure 1. It wants to know what x is given that you have 22 degrees, 41 degrees, and across from the 41 is 14. As soon as I see something with two angles in it, that's a clue that I'm using law of sines. If there's two angles, I'm going to law of sines. And law of sines is nice and pretty. A couple ways you can write it. This is just the way I do it. It's going to be the sine of 22 degrees over its opposite side, the side across from it, which in this case is x. That'll always be equal to the sine of the other angle, which is here 41 degrees, over its opposite side, which in this case is 14. I just set up a proportion every time. That's what the law of sines does. Now I'm going to do x times sine of 41, x times the sine of 41 degrees, because remember, means extreme says these multiplied equal those multiplied. So x times the sine of 41 will equal 14 times the sine of 22 degrees. Now, a lot of people go ahead and start pulling out the calculator. Don't do it yet. There's no need to multiply that and get some number here. I'm still trying to get x by itself. I want to get rid of multiplying by sine of 41, so I'm going to divide by the sine of 41, which means I'm going to divide this side by the sine of 41 degrees. Now I can enter it all on my calculator at once and not lose anything by rounding. So I'll go 14 times the sine of 22, close your parentheses, divided by the sine of 41, and when I did it earlier, I got x is 8. This side over here is approximately 8 centimeters. There you have it. Law of sines. Set up a proportion every time. It's very simple. Comes out nice and pretty.